Elon Musk's insane billionaire lifestyle. When you think of billionaires, you might picture luxury mansions, private islands, and mega-yachts. But Elon Musk? His lifestyle is on a completely different level. From sleeping on factory floors to shaking up entire industries, Musk lives on the edge, blending jaw-dropping innovation with some truly bizarre spending habits. So how does the world's richest man actually spend his billions? And is he really as frugal as he claims? Buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the insane billionaire lifestyle of Elon Musk, where genius meets extravagance. But before we blast off, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more crazy billionaire content, and turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload. Let's jump in. A fortune like no other. Elon Musk isn't just rich, he's in a league of his own. His net worth fluctuates between $200 and $300 billion depending on the market, thanks mainly to his stakes in Tesla and SpaceX. While most billionaires diversify their portfolios, Musk reinvests heavily into his companies, using his fortune to push humanity toward an electric and interplanetary future. A minimalist take on housing, sort of. While most billionaires live in sprawling estates, Musk took a different path. In 2020, he announced he was selling off most of his real estate, claiming he wanted to own no house. He reportedly lives in a $50,000 prefab home from Boxable near SpaceX's Texas launch site. However, he's also been known to crash at friends' places or stay in company-owned homes. But let's not forget, before this minimalist shift, Musk owned a $100 million property portfolio in California, including several mansions in Bel Air. Flying in style, the private jet life. Musk might live modestly on land, but in the air, it's another story. He owns a Gulfstream G650ER, one of the world's most luxurious private jets, valued at around $70 million. In 2023 alone, he reportedly logged over 150,000 miles, hopping between Tesla factories, SpaceX launches, and global business meetings. While critics slam him for the environmental impact, Musk insists it's a necessary tool for his non-stop schedule. The ultimate car collection. You'd expect the CEO of Tesla to have a killer car collection, and Musk doesn't disappoint. While he owns plenty of Teslas, he also has a deep love for iconic cars. Among his prized possessions, a 1976 Lotus Esprit submarine car from the James Bond movie The Spy Who Loved Me, which he bought for nearly $1 million. A McLaren F1, one of the fastest cars ever made, which he famously crashed without insurance while driving with PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel. Classic beauties like a Ford Model T and a Jaguar E-Type Roadster. Musk's garage is a perfect fusion of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. Futuristic spending sprees. Unlike most billionaires who splurge on yachts and resorts, Musk spends billions bringing science fiction to life. SpaceX is paving the way to colonize Mars. Neuralink is developing brain-computer interfaces. The Boring Company is digging tunnels to rethink urban transport. His spending habits might seem wild, but they're always aimed at shaping the future. Lavish parties and celebrity connections. Despite his workaholic image, Musk loves a good party. He's thrown some seriously extravagant bashes, from star-studded mansion parties in Bel Air to the massive cyber rodeo at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, complete with fireworks, drone shows, and live music. He's often spotted at major events like the Met Gala, mingling with celebrities like his former partner Grimes and exes like Amber Heard. Musk's social circle is just as high profile as his business ventures. Billionaire philanthropy on his own terms. Musk signed the Giving Pledge in 2012, vowing to give away most of his fortune. He's donated millions to education, green energy, and medical research. He also funds cutting-edge initiatives, like offering $100 million to whoever develops the best carbon capture tech and providing Starlink internet access to war-torn regions like Ukraine. His philanthropy might not always follow traditional routes, but it's definitely impactful. High-stakes games, crypto, and stocks. Musk's financial moves are as bold as his inventions. His tweets have famously sent Bitcoin and Dogecoin soaring or crashing. In 2021, Tesla briefly accepted Bitcoin as payment, only to reverse the decision later, stirring up the crypto world. Musk himself holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, and his social media alone can shake global markets. Love him or hate him, there's no denying Musk's power over modern finance. A wild personal life. Musk's personal life is just as headline-worthy. He's been married multiple times and is the father of 14 children. His relationship with Grimes captured media attention, especially after the birth of their uniquely named kids, X80 A12 and Exa Dark Citadel. Musk has openly said he wants to help tackle the global population decline by having more children. His partners describe him as brilliant yet intense, a reflection of his high-stakes lifestyle. The future of Musk's billionaire lifestyle. Elon Musk's lifestyle is anything but typical. He mixes minimalism with mind-blowing ambition, focusing less on luxury and more on changing the world. As his companies grow and his visions expand, Musk's insane billionaire life will only get more fascinating. Whether he's colonizing Mars, linking our brains to computers, or drilling tunnels under cities, Musk proves that with enough vision and enough billions, you can literally reshape the future. One thing's for sure, Elon Musk isn't your average billionaire. His life is a crazy blend of futuristic tech, daring risks, and eccentric habits. But what do you think? Is Musk a brilliant visionary making the ultimate sacrifices, or just another billionaire playing by his own outrageous rules? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Musk's extraordinary lifestyle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more jaw-dropping billionaire stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.